My name is Jason Christopher Rivas. I'm currently 19 years old. I live in Oakland. I went to Oakland Technical High School. I did the year-long program of HealthPATH. I always wanted to help people, but I didn't really know at the start of high school what I wanted to do. The HEAL program is just that program for any Oakland student. They just want to find the next person that believes they could do better if they're really interested in the health field. It's an internship that will just expose you to health field, new health jobs. Just if you want to be a doctor, you can see what day in the life of a doctor is like. Nursing, medical assistant, OBGYN. I was born in Oakland, California. My neighborhood isn't the best. I couldn't even really play basketball with my friends on the neighborhood block without hearing gunshots. It was just scary sometimes too. Gangs and violence. Growing up was just oh, he's getting taller, he's getting bigger. Oh, he might get jumped into a gang. It wasn't what my mom or my dad wanted. They wanted me to go to school. Both of my parents were immigrants. My dad grew up in Mexico, Guadalajara, Mexico. Came here when he was 13 years old. Didn't go to school, he just went straight to work. My mom was born in El Salvador. She fled her country because of wars and just gang violence. My mom and my aunt ended up leaving. Once they got to the country, they established themselves, became citizens, brought my grandma legally here. Me and my grandma have a good relationship. Since I was born, she's always taken care of me. She still takes care of me too. I know my dad really wanted me to graduate high school, and that's all he really wanted because he never even got the chance to go into high school. The day I graduated high school was kind of emotional for me because I finally saw him tear up. But my accomplishment isn't really going to college, it's finishing college with a degree and going into the health field. HealthPATH has helped choose my career. It has shaped how I am and what my career is going to be. I want to be a nurse, and for me it's not really about the money. It's about what I can learn, what I can help, and what I can do for my family.